Hey Brandon, this is Brad Altman. I'm just sending you this video to help you work on your website and bring in more clients, customers, revenue to your business. First of all, you see I do have your website up here. You got a pretty nice website. Talks about your services, um, the tune-ups, heating, things along that line, which is excellent. Um, Free proposals, people like free, of course. You got blogs going on, which is great. How to contact your company, the service areas, all that good stuff. So you guys got a nice website going on up here. And again, right here is excellent too. It's first things people see and how to contact you. Um, One thing that Google um, talks about and is very important is the amount of words that you have on your web page. So if you didn't notice, I just copied and pasted your URL and I put it into this thing called Web Counter, and it tells me that you have 986 words. It must not have pasted. Let's try it again. There, you have 1,223 words on your page. However, the first one you saw there was your competition, which is Pharaoh. And I'm going to copy and paste their URL and put it in the same page. And it tells us that they have 986 words. So back to your webpage. You guys, like I said, they had 1,223, which is very good. However, these days, Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. Okay. So you're almost there. You don't have a whole lot of work to do that. And as I mentioned, I have your competition up over here. Um, their webpage, word count, things along that line. And how I found them, I'm guessing you already probably figured out, is by using keywords. Heating and air conditioning are the key words, or heating and air conditioning are the key words in your business. Um, and that pertains mostly to down here in the uh, organic search. How up here, however, is how I found your competition. They're in the number one spot on Map It. Map It, Brandon, is the second place that people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. The organics down here, however, is the first place, according to Google, that people are going to click on to find what they're looking for. Um, and again, I think you know the keywords. I'm just going to hit it one more time. Heating and air conditioning. If you're looking for a hotel room, you type that in here, a restaurant, pizza, whatever it is. And that always brings these things up here and how to find people. And again, according to Google, this is the place that people are going to click on to go to what they're looking for. And if we look down through here, I'm not seeing your name in the first two spots right here. Let's go to the third page. Oh, Chiva. There's Farrell. So they're, um, I'd say, what, about a halfway down? And thought I saw you guys in here somewhere. So Farrell is outranking you and Mappets, and they're also outranking you in the organic search. Like I said, that's the first place that people are going to click on. There you are. You guys are at the bottom. Okay. So even though you have more words than them on your word count, you don't have enough organic words or the proper organic words to be ranking. And you normally want to be ranked right up here. Okay. And the same here. You want to be ranked in the top spot of Mapit. I'm going to go to another tool that we use called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is not a free tool. It costs me about $200 a month. For the word counter I referred to, the word page counter, this is free, Brandon. You can download this off the internet to always check on your words that you have out there on your web page. So over here, organic words, we talked about that a little bit ago. So for the organic words that you're using, that's bringing you approximately $613 in per month, according to Google. Okay, so you're not doing bad there, but by making this stronger and getting proper organic keywords in, that's going to make this grow per client as well. Um, I'm going to just click on this just to see a few of your organic keywords. So heating and cooling would be organic words in here. As you can see, that's bringing you guys in some pretty good volume of a click KD, keyword difficulty. Um, you can use a little help there. You can see American Heating 800, American Heating 2.9. Let's just scroll down here. Air conditioning services in Madison isn't real strong for you. American Heating again. So you can see some of these things aren't as strong as other words that you have. U.S. Heating. In fact, this one was lost, it looks like. So these are things that you can work on. Again, as we saw, you had 1,293 words. So you have room to add more words to your web page. And in doing so, you can also add keywords to your web page to help bring in more customers, more clients, more revenue to your business. I do like this too. It talks about your business, where you've been from, how long you've been around, your ATT services and stuff as well. Again, people like to read about stuff like this, especially this part right here. That is excellent. Next thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linked to another via clickable hyperlink text. So I know that sounds pretty technical, but basically, Brandon, all it is a popularity contest where the person with the most backlinks pointing back to your web page wins. And one more way to say it, and this is more of a Google terminology, these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Again, make it just a little bit more simpler. It's kind of like that guy that got Air Jordans in high school. He was the first one to have them. At the beginning of the day, one person saw him. He told the next guy the next day. But by the end of the day, pretty much everybody in a smaller school knows about the Air Jordans and the guy that has them. And that's what's referring to these backlinks over here. I'm going to go back to this quick. So backlinks, Brandon, is what gets you right up in here. Keywords get you here, proper keywords and more of them. So again, by adding more words to your website, you can be ranked number one right here and number one right here. I'm going to go over here to your backlinks. And again, you have 121 websites pointing back to you. And that again, that's what Google looks at because they constantly have bots going out there checking this out. Same with the keywords, seeing who's referring back to you, seeing the keywords you have in your web page. So these are just different people that are referring back to you. And again, remember, just like keywords, these backlinks are not all created equal. Just trying to scroll through here, you can kind of follow along with me here. Automobile. So, again, I don't think this would be a real good keyword or a backlink for you. It is bringing a little bit of volume in for you, but just a few of these little things can be changed or added to bring more backlinks to your company. And again, that's what Google looks at to get you guys ranked in this area down here. Let's go check out your competition. They have 51 organic words. That's bringing them in about $240 per month. They have 630 backlinks referring back to them all over Brandon. So you can see that's why they're in the number one spot. And these are some of the people that are referring back to them. Again, you can see that all backlinks are not created equally. Okay. I think you get the gist of this. You're probably familiar with it as well. Again, right here, 0. So as you can see, backlinks are not equal. So getting the proper backlinks in, the proper keywords in, is going to grow the volume in your company. You guys have 121. Let's just check them out quick. So yours are fairly strong, but again, here we go down here, 7. So there's just different things. Like I said, by adding more words or keywords, we'll get more referrals back to you, and we can also work on this ourselves. This video I'm sending to you, however, Brandon, is a free video which you can use yourself to help your website grow here and to help also bring in more revenue and more clients to your customer. I'll be sending this email to you by sending this video to you by email. You can simply reply back to that email or reach me at 608-574-2784. I hope you found this information useful, Brandon, and have yourself a great day.